Quick question. Are you struggling to calculate sales commissions in Zoho Books? If yes, then this video is for you. Sales Cookie is an AI-powered platform to automate commission tracking, and as a bonus, it has a native sync with Zoho Books. First, activate Sales Cookie's real-time sync with Zoho Books using the video linked below. Next, use our AI-powered plan designer to guide you on setting up a commission plan in just a few clicks. I'm going to use a plan design template. My plan has no quotas or tiers, just a straight % payment on revenue. I'm going to call this plan an agent plan. It's a monthly plan. I have an effective date in my Zoho Books invoices. I'm measuring performance for individual agents or outside reps. Yes, Zoho Books includes an agent owner sold by field. There are no commission splits. The plan is based on transaction revenue. I pay different commission rates for different agents. And with that, a plan is ready to be created. Sales Cookie shows me a nice visual summary. Let's run a test calculation for January. In under a minute, Sales Cookie will analyze all Zoho Books data for January, credit and commission all agents correctly in bulk. It will even generate commission statements instantly, so if an agent were logged in, they can view the latest commission statement. They can search, sort, filter, visualize their sales and commissions data using the Zoho Books fields they already know. They can resort their column order. They can review their commission payout. They can export and search their data. They can even use the AI assistant to answer any questions they might have. For example, the agent can ask the AI assistant to show them their January payouts by product and customer. Within minutes, they can see all their sales and commissions data in a tabular and graphical format. The AI assistant is available 7/24. They can even submit inquiries to the commission administrator directly from their dashboard. The platform pre-populates the inquiry form based on the transaction they selected and gives them the option to add in more details. They can then track resolution real time. Are your plans more complex? No worries. Sales Cookie is built to handle advanced scenarios with flexibility and accuracy. Ready to dig in? Book a one-on-one demo or start your free trial today. No credit card required. Thanks and see you next time.